In this video, we're going to look at another use case of Notion automation. And in this case, we're going to look how you can create a automated timesheet. And we will start by just clicking on the start button. And what you can see, if I click the button, a new row is generated with my name and the start date with the time. And yeah, no end yet and no minutes worked. The idea is, if you click start, a new row gets generated. If you click end, it enters the end time and the minutes worked, and then you have a timesheet. So how are those buttons working? If you now click on the edit button, you can see it's quite a simple button. It's named start, and if the button is clicked, it adds a page to this database, which is called automated timesheet, as me, whoever clicks the button, and the name is whoever clicked, and start is the time triggered. Super easy. The end button is quite easy as well. So we call it just the end, and it edits a page which matches one filter in the automated timesheet, and the filter is that the end is empty, because otherwise it would take all of your already ended timesheets and would end a new end time to them. So it's quite important that the end is empty. And then in this database automated timesheet, it just enters in this column end the time triggered. And that's it. As you can see now, if we click on end, it enters the end time and it calculates the minutes worked. This is just a simple formula. If you're interested in it, we can look at it as well. Yeah, if you click on edit formula, it's just the date between end and start in minutes. Yeah, and by doing so, you hopefully get a good idea how you can create a timesheet with Notion. Another nice feature of this one is, let's assume you're creating this timesheet because you work for a client and you want to send your client those times you worked for them as a Google Docs document, and you don't want them to, get into your Notion page. For this reason, I created a little button called Send Timesheet to Google Docs. And if I now click on Send Timesheet to Google Docs, a automation is triggered, a webhook, which sends via make.com, this is the automation, the data to Google Drive. And as you see, it just generated this, this timesheet. If you now click on it, it just shows those numbers, so it's my name and it's the date. As mentioned before, it's quite ugly right now, so there's no really structure in it, but you can create it with a structure, and then you have a perfectly timesheet in Google Docs by one click. So you got it from Notion via Make into Google Docs. It's super nice to have. It's really fun to work with. If you're interested in how you can use Google Docs with Notion and by using Make, I created another video about this because it's a bit more complicated. And yeah, just click on this video. You can find it on my page. As mentioned before, it's super easy to create a start and timesheet automation, and the send timesheet to Google Docs is just like an add-on and bonus if you're interested in having it in Google Docs as well. Yeah, thank you so much. I hope this video helped you. Yeah, bye.